How to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay without card. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer, or how or whether or if not you can or can't transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay without card or with card. Now first things first, what you'll have to know is, well, can you transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay? Now unfortunately the straight answer is you can't. Now you might be seeing other video tutorials where it says you that you'll be able to do so, but actually you can't. Now Apple Pay is not a bank account, as you know. It is a wallet. It's you pay for things with credit or debit cards you have entered. Now if you are referring to Apple Card, then also the answer will be no, you can't transfer the money. Unlike that you transfer from Cash App to bank account, you won't be able to transfer it to your Apple Pay. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.